Personally Identifiable Information. What is PII? PII is personally identifiable information that includes a person's name, the names of family or friends, addresses, dates and places of birth, social security numbers, account numbers, and even employee ID numbers. A personal data breach occurs when PII is released to an unauthorized actor through email phishing attacks, ransomware, and even exploiting a victim's digital footprints. A digital footprint could be a potential piece of PII that exists on the internet as a result of a person's online activity, easily harvested and then exploited by a threat actor. Cybercriminals can post ads on the dark web selling one's PII. The identities are then bought by thieves to take part in tax fraud, open fake accounts, to apply for credit cards, apply for work, apply for a place to live, and other exploitative crimes. Attackers can gather PII from anywhere, including public forums and social media. Every type of organization, businesses, clinics, and even schools has PII that needs to be protected. Security breaches that involve this information put anyone's confidentiality in jeopardy and are becoming more common, especially among children. On average, more than 1 million children under the age of 18 in the United States report identity theft in a given year. When a school's information is breached, it can take years for a family to notice their child's information has been compromised. What can organizations do to prevent personal data breaches? Key factors include undergoing dark web scans to identify threats or weak points, ensuring staff is updated on security practices and training, and teaching good digital citizenship. Additionally, staff should continue to be wary of links and attachments in emails, utilize multi-factor authentication when creating new online accounts, and report any suspicious emails to your IT department.